Hello everyone. What I'm going to explain is backed by the mechanics working in this shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If your Ford shows the Check Adaptive Headlamp, see manual message, the first thing you think is, oh no, what broke now? But in reality, the car is saying that the system that automatically adjusts the headlights when you turn or change the vehicle's angle detected something unusual. Sometimes the lights still work fine, but the system can't verify that everything is as it should be. Mechanics here tell me that this message can appear suddenly, even when nothing visible has happened to the headlights. This can be a simple control module error that sometimes gets confused and needs a reset to function normally again. Other users report that the message disappears after turning the car off and on, which shows it's not always a physical failure. Some people have found that a low or unstable battery can confuse the car's electronic systems. Since adaptive headlights rely on precise voltage signals, a weak battery can cause the module to flag an error and trigger the warning, even if the lights are working correctly. In more advanced models with adaptive or auto-leveling headlights, the fault can also come from the position sensors or the module that controls the headlight orientation. This makes the system think the lights can't adjust properly, even though they turn on without issues. In these cases, cleaning connections or checking the sensors can solve the problem. If the message persists, mechanics recommend using a scanner like ForScan to clear the error codes and reset the headlight module. This allows the system to relearn and correctly detect whether the headlights are functioning. In more complicated cases, replacing the module or adaptive headlights may be necessary, but only if the message keeps appearing and affects the actual function of the lights.